In the last video we have covered home tab in MS Word. So in this video we are going to cover about insert tab. In insert tab we are going to learn about how to insert table, picture, smart art, shapes and icons and some 3D models. So let's understand how it will be working practically in MS Word. So without wasting time, let's go to practical and you will understand how insert tab is helping us to prepare a document in MS Word. Let's go. We are covering insert tab. In insert tab we are covering table, picture, shapes, icons, smart arts and 3D models. So these are very important in MS Word when you are formatting. But suppose if you add only content, that format will not looking good. So that is the reason we are using how to insert a table and how to insert picture, shapes, icons and smart arts. Let's start from table. Table means sometimes when you want to insert any table in MS Word, there is option called table. When you click on table, you have few options are visible. So these are default rows and columns. The how many columns you select and how many rows you select, that much rows and columns will appearing on in the document. See. So once you insert a table, related table, you will have extra two tabs here. One is design tab, another one is layout tab. Okay, now this is one method. So let us start with one more method. Click on insert, there is a table, click on here. So there is option called insert table. Insert table, when you click on here, so you have to put your how many columns you need, how many rows you need. So you need a number here. I want 5 columns and 5 rows. If you put it 5 rows here, and you click on OK, so automatically 5 rows, 5 columns will come. This is second method. And also we have one more method called, when you click on here, draw. If you want to draw by your own, for your convenient table, let's click on draw table. So automatically your cursor will be in pencil mark. Are you observing? So now just drag it. So now you can adjust how many columns you want. Okay, and how many rows you want. Now if you want to give any color, now are you observing this extra 2 tabs has come here? This is related to design the table. If you want to design a table, so we have some designs you can choose. And this is for coloring. For a particular box, if you want to give any color, there is option called color. You can give color for that. Okay, and there is option when you click on here layout. Here is the options are very important. If you want more a column or row, there is option called insert above, below, left and right. Which side you want, you can insert that. And sometimes if you have taken more row and column, there is option called erase. If you click on here, is a eraser shape will come. If you want to delete, you can delete which one you want. Observing. So this is how the table will work. And this is also a type of inserting table here. The next we have an option called picture. Sometimes when you want to insert a picture related to that content, so there is option called picture. That picture must be downloaded. So when you click on picture, there is option called this device. Select this device and choose which picture you want. I have downloaded, let me check. So I have downloaded few and maybe, so I'm selecting one of the image here. I'm selecting this image. Once you select the image, there is option called insert. See, automatically will come. So now once you insert the image, so you have to be very careful here. So you want to adjust the image, please adjust from the corners, because once you adjust the corner, so adjustment will be very good and the image and picture will not be blurred. Suppose if you adjust from one side, it adjusts only from one side. So that is the reason. So once you insert any image, the related image will have a one more tab called picture format. So this is for the formatting. If you want to have circle with a different format, you have this option. Okay, and if you want to give a border, there is option called border. You can give a border to that. And these are the options for this. And if you want to give a color, there is option. You can give different color for this. This is how this picture will work. And that point is indicates to rotate. If you want to rotate, which direction do you want? You can rotate that. Okay, this is how that picture will work. And please practice is very important. Sometimes if you want to crop, there is option called crop. When you click on here, so you can crop how you want. See, getting? So this is how this picture will work, and it's very important tool. You can use it. And we have one more option called Shape is very important. Sometimes when you want to insert a different shapes, so we have a different types of shapes. I am inserting here a smiley one. So select that one. Once you select the shape, automatically your cursor will be plus mark. Just drag it. Once you drag or once you inserted a shape, again the related to shape, we have one more tab called shape format. For this, we can shape this. If you want to give a color, there is option called shape fill. You can give color. And if you want to have the positions, we can have them positions. It will be there. And if you want to give outline, there is option called outline. I am giving red color here. If you want to give color, you can give any different color choices. Yes, I am giving this color only. Okay, this is our shape. And once you insert the shape that you want to change only this shape, you want to replace this shape with a different one, there is option called edit shape. Click here. There is option called change shape. I am selecting this cloud one. So automatically that shape will be changing. This is how shape will work. Now we can adjust how we want, place it where you want to have. Okay, so and this is what shape here. And icons is very important options. We have it in MS Word. So how we can do, if you click on icons, this is also related to some stickers, we can call it as. When you click on icons, but for this you have to have internet facility, then only you are able to access this. And here is a search. You can search which you want. I want to search computer related. So if you search here and you will have computer related here, select insert. So automatically that will come as a sticker. Again, once you insert any icons here, a graphics format related tab will be visible, and you can give a different color, which is a good color and convenient color for you. Okay, this is how, and outline you can give in a different color here. So this is how icons will work. And also in this video we are taking last one, that is SmartArt. A SmartArt is a kind of when we want to have a list to maintain in a different format. So we have a SmartArt to visualize to the audience, to attract them. We are using this SmartArt. So I'm in this, when you click on SmartArt, so you have these types. I am selecting here cycle. Once you select the cycle, we have a types of processes here. I am selecting the first one here. Okay, so once you insert any SmartArt, you have another two tabs related to this SmartArt. One is SmartArt design, another one is format. This is for a SmartArt design. This is for formatting, means coloring or any different colors. So here I am giving some a list here. Let us start from I'm adding here computer parts only. Let's start from CPU and mother board, RAM, ROM, and monitor. Okay, now I want to have one more. Then very simple. Select the last SmartArt. Right click. There is option called add shape. When you take a cursor on add shape, you have two options. You want to add it before or after. I want to add it after. So now we can add it. Mouse. Okay, this is how. Then once you're done with, you have a color. You can give a color which you like. Which color you would like to give. I want to give this color. So, and here some styles we have. We can give any effects to this. So I am giving this. Okay, and in the format we have a different. You can fill color. So this is background. Suppose I want to change a particular SmartArt color. Select that only. Go to shape fill. Give a color. Okay, and outline also. You can give any outline here. Okay, so this is how the SmartArt will work, and this is very important. Please take use of this video. And so in this video we have understood table, how to insert table, picture, shapes and icons, and SmartArt. Okay, so I'll be coming with a next video with a different topics. Thank you so much. Have a good day.